In this video, we will take a look at the STM32Cube embedded software offer. In short, it is a free and comprehensive suite of professional software components designed to accelerate your development. With our software, you can unlock the full potential of any STM32, covering every on-chip feature, enabling developers to fully exploit STM32 hardware. Enables developers to maximize the value of STM32 while covering every feature from basic GPIO to advanced Ethernet connectivity with support for all STM32 microcontrollers. It provides flexible and efficient software designed to support a wide range of development needs. Our offer brings anything from drivers that provides low-level hardware control optimized for minimal footprint to high-level software components that ensure faster development and help simplify complex applications. So what does STM32Cube embedded software consist of? Our core software components consist of the MCU drivers HAL and LL, part drivers, utilities, middleware, software examples, and documentation. The HAL drivers provide a high-level API that abstracts hardware details, eases portability, and simplifies use of complex peripherals. The LL drivers is a low-overhead API. It is close to hardware registers to provide maximum control and performance. The part drivers, also known as BSP, offers ready-to-use support for external components such as LEDs, memory, and audio. Our utilities are small, efficient software modules that simplify common embedded challenges like EEPROM emulation and task sequencing. Our offer also consists of a large collection of middleware such as LWIP, USBX, and TouchGFX. They are designed to help develop and implement complex applications. And finally, to ensure developers can maximize the usage of STM32Cube embedded software and speed up development, a rich set of ready-to-run examples is provided, along with thorough documentation supporting developers from discovery to production. With the launch of the new STM32C5, ST introduces a major update to the HAL2. HAL2 brings many enhancements, including improved portability, usability, and performance. As an example, the RTC driver can now save up to 54% of flash memory, and for usability, the HAL drivers is now built on top of the LL. Furthermore, transitioning to HAL2 is straightforward since the programming model remains the same. And to ensure a smooth migration of projects, we provide a migration tool and a detailed documentation to guide you throughout the process. To support the HAL2 update, we have improved several other key elements in our offer. This includes a new online documentation platform, enhanced example projects, and tighter integration of STM32CubeMX2 code generation driven directly by the drivers. These are just a few of the improvements HAL2 is bringing and will be supported across all new STM32 series starting with the STM32C5. To download any component of the STM32Cube embedded software offer, go to the STM32 MCU Developer Zone on st.com and select Embedded Software from the landing page. There you can access the information, documentation, and download the embedded software matching your STM32 device. Alternatively, if you want to try out an example, go to the STM32 example library, where you can search and find examples that matches your use case and the board you are using.